Welcome to our tutorial on utilizing QinPrinting book cover templates in Adobe InDesign. Download the cover template you want from the QinPrinting website. Open the template. The last page is the blank template we need. Remember its dimensions. Open Adobe InDesign, select Create New, and input the same dimensions as the PDF. In the new page, select File, then Place, choose the downloaded template, and check Show Import options. In the Place PDF panel, select Range 4. After placing the template into the file, align its center. You'll see red bleed lines, blue trim lines, green safety lines, as well as positions for book crease, spine, and wrap. We recommend setting the design color profile to Japan Color 2001 coded. Lock the layer where the template is located, then create a new layer and drag it below. Now you can start designing. Use high-resolution CMYK images for designing. You can check image details in the link panel, ensuring effective PPI is 300. Extend the background image to the position of the red bleed lines. When setting colors, use CMYK color. It's recommended to place text and important content within the green lines. Once the design is complete, click to hide the template layer. Select File, then Export, and save it as Adobe PDF format. In the Settings panel, choose High Quality Print, and under Output Options, select Don't Include Profiles. Open the saved PDF, select File Options, then Properties and choose Font. Ensure all fonts have the embedded subset flag. Congratulations! Now you're ready to create stunning book covers with ease. Happy designing!